friends. Today I'm gonna teach you some good habits for your better life. So let's get the ball rolling. Early to bed and early to rise. Early to rise and early to bed is a great habit. You are more likely to sleep better. Sleep experts believe that setting your sleep cycle so you fall asleep earlier and wake up earlier puts your body more in tune with Earth's circadian rhythm. So guys, early to bed and early to rise, ready to feel refreshed. Offering prayer. We should pray to God every day because it is a great connection between Creator and creation. Many studies have shown that daily prayer has a profound impact on your physical health, positive attitude, divine help, strength in troubling time, achieve forgiveness, attitude of gratitude, focus on mind, and faith. Brush the teeth. We should brush the teeth twice a day. Regular toothbrushing is important for both children and adults. It helps to remove the bacteria and plaque that cause tooth decay and gum diseases. So we should brush our teeth after wake up and before going to sleep. Exercise daily. Daily exercise is a healthier habit. We should exercise regularly to be fit and stay healthy. It is also a source of relieving stress, enhance mood, improving memory, and improving concentration. It makes our mind fresh and cool, and it makes our muscles and bones strong. Take bath daily. Taking bath daily is a great habit. Bathing can improve the heart health. It keeps our body neat and clean, and it is good for brain and nervous system. And it is also good for muscles, joints, and bones. So guys, take care of your blood and immunity with a bath. Hand washing. We should wash our hands before eating anything. Hand washing is easy, inexpensive, effective, and helpful to stop the different diseases like common cold, hepatitis A, and COVID-19. So guys, be careful about your hands. Always try to wash your hands before touching your nose, eyes, and before eating anything. Cover your face. We should cover our face while coughing and sneezing with the help of tissue. When we cough or sneeze, those droplets goes into the air. It's our responsibilities to cover our mouth and face with the help of tissues, so those droplets don't go into the air and they don't spread to the other people. Use face mask. using the face mask is a safe way. We should always use face mask before going schools, colleges, universities, and public places. When we wear a mask, we protect ourselves as well as the others. Studying daily. Regular study is the best habit and the key of success. It impacts your brain a lot and it increases your memory power as well as quick learning skill. And it also can increase your IQ. The student who studied every day, they faces 75% less stress than the student who don't. It is also the best way to increase your focus and concentration. Be helpful. Helpful people are blessing of God. We should be helpful and we should help our parents in all house chores like cleaning, cooking, and washing. We should always try to help the others. We should help the poor people, needy people, friends, and family members because it creates a very important role in our life and in our society. So guys, if you help the others, it will make the world a happier place. One act of kindness and one kind word can make this world a beautiful place. Be kind. Giving food, taking care, and spreading love are the best examples of kindness with birds and the whole creatures. We should be kind and we should love and be kind to all animals, birds, and the whole creation of the entire universe because kindness is a great virtue. Do you like this message? So please subscribe my channel.